Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most current iOS software. Then, power on your Apple Watch Ultra and keep it close to your iPhone. Finally, open the Watch application on your iPhone. This is the only way to initiate the pairing process, ensuring a smooth and successful connection between your devices. Now, let's get your devices paired. In the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Pair New Watch. Your iPhone's camera will activate. Simply hold it over the unique animation displayed on your watch screen. This visual method usually takes just a few seconds. If that doesn't work, you can always choose Pair manually and follow the clear instructions provided on both screens to complete the connection. Once paired, you'll have some important choices to make. You can either set up your Apple Watch Ultra as a brand new device or restore it from an existing backup if you've had an Apple Watch before. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Finally, sign in with your Apple ID. This step is crucial for enabling all the advanced features and services your watch offers. We're almost there. To secure your device, you'll be prompted to create a passcode for your Apple Watch Ultra. After that, you can choose to install recommended applications and personalize your watch face to suit your style. The entire setup process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once these steps are complete, your Apple Watch Ultra is fully connected and ready for you to enjoy all its incredible capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.